Exoair System Truck Equipment. The latest generation. High performance and maximum security. Reliability and guarantee in each of its components. The Exoair System Electric Generator with new inverter technology allows the generation of continuous 12-volt electricity according to the needs of the user, with noise levels less than 60 decibels. This smart generator is automatic. That is, it switches on when the truck's battery is low, and it switches off when the charge is full, according to the voltage of the batteries. This mode of use can be operated by remote control. This equipment can be used as a battery charger or as an electric generator, adapting to a wide variety of needs. It can be used in trucks, connecting it directly to the electric air conditioning to prolong its use with the engine off. Or you can connect it to the truck batteries as a battery charger. It can also be used in solar panel systems, motorhomes, or rural houses as an electricity generator. The electric generator includes an easy-to-understand guide to optimize its performance. The latest generation Exoair System Truck Equipment. High performance and maximum security. Reliability and guarantee in each of its components.